Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP JPY. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, GBP JPY from the lower time frame giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade GBP JPY. Looking at monthly, now from the monthly perspective, as you can see, GBPJPY has been rejected from this monthly level of resistance. As you can see on the monthly, there is a long-term resistance here. With this head, we can see that there is a possible head and shoulder formation on the monthly on GBPJPY and has been rejected to the downside from this resistance level. Now, this is the current monthly candle. We 1 week remaining. We see that from this resistance, GJ is breaking to the downside, and highly likely that this monthly candle may break this previous monthly low, as it has broken already this long-term support zone on the lower time frame. We can expect now a new lower low in this instrument. Now, if we look at the weekly, we can see that previous week GBPJPY has formed this big long middleman. Now this middleman is quite significant. As you can see, there's a long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom. It's a perfect middleman, has broken out of this structure to the downside. The price has gone up, tested this liquidity zone. From this resistance, we have seen GBPJPY has been rejected. Now with that rejection, what we can expect, GJ to continue to drop to create a new lower low. Now, as you can see, this is an important monthly level of support, and we are expecting GJ to continue to drop. As this is the last day of trading week, we could find significant trading opportunity in this instrument. Now, if you look at daily, we can see that the price started a long impulse with this daily liquidity grab. With this long pin bar, we see that this market has grabbed liquidity from this resistance, and also this candle has crossed the previous candles, completely closed past below, giving a very strong probability for GJ to continue to drop. And we see that according to our TF strategy, there is a strong selling pressure in that zone, and we can expect now this price to continue to drop in this direction. And we see this is the monthly level of support, and we can expect the price to come to this level to test this zone. So monthly, weekly, and daily, we see that GJ is showing a significant bearish price action. And at the same time, if we look at the week daily price action a bit more deeply, we can see the price was creating series of lower high along this resistance level, creating a strong liquidity grab, and the price is putting pressure on the support zone. And if you see that this is the daily level of support on GBPJPY, we saw this is the support here, support here, support here, support here, and from that support we see that GBPJPY is moving down, and we can expect this price to continue to drop. Now if we look at further lower time frame on the intraday, we can see that this instrument has formed a head and shoulder in this zone. Now from this head and shoulder, we have seen the price has broken out of this head and shoulder completely to the downside, giving a potential support and resistance. Now we see that this is the zone that we can expect. Now GBPJPY, this is the resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, which is turn support here, and also which is turning support here, likely to be acting here as a resistance. As you can see, we have seen already a significant movement to the downside. We will be waiting for a slow retracement to the upside on GBPJPY along this zone. So as soon as we will find suitable entry on GBPJPY along this zone for potential bearish setup, we'll consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you all. See you soon in my next analysis.